Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we're going to look at how we can use SRAM to write an FEM file to gain access to OptiStruct and Altair HyperWorks suite of tools. Before we dive into this, we're going to ask ourselves the question, why would we want to export an FEM file from SRAM? Well, this is really, the FEM file is the key that gets us into accessing the HyperWorks suite of tools, and that allows us to take advantage of the optimization solutions, high fidelity FE meshing, studying of design variations using Design Explorer, explicit analysis in Radios, bulk material simulation in EDM, and CFD solutions, as well as a lot of other solutions available. And you can see a few that revolve around the AEC industry here. So let's understand how we can actually make this work for us. And it's really quite easy. If I just go to SRAM, back to the original model that I had, this is a model comprised of shells and members. And we have used panel elements to create these shells. And each one of these members also has sections assigned, materials, and so on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the File menu. And I'm going to go to the Export option. And here I have this option to export to OptiStruct.fem. I'll click on this option. And it gives me a few different file formats that I can use. I'm just going to use the Fixed Format option that's available to me. I'll then click OK. I'm then asked to save the file, and you can see the format that's being written. So I've just given it the name dome.fem. I'll click Save. And SRAM has reported to me the status of the FEM file production. And we can see there were no issues there, so I can press any key to proceed, and the FEM file will be written. Now I can go into HyperWorks, and from the File menu, I can click on Open, and I'm going to open up a solver deck. And this will allow me to search for one of the OptiStruct file formats that I can import. And you can see first amongst them is the FEM option. So let me just browse to the file that I'm going to bring in. And we can set up our solver options. I'm just going to stick with the defaults. Click Open. And with just a few clicks of the mouse, we've been able to bring in that SRAM model into the HyperWorks environment. And we can see here, if I filter the selection off the beam sections, I'll just hover my mouse over this section here, and we can see the angle section that I'm using for all of these different 1D elements. And the same thing for the T sections that we're using as well. So this process facilitates the work that's being done to bring in an SRAM model into this HyperWorks environment. We can take advantage of those additional solutions available, such as optimization, advanced fine element meshing, and all the different solvers that are available to us as well. If you'd like more information, please feel free to reach out.